Browser extensions are supposed to make life easier, but in 2025, Chrome and Microsoft Edge users are facing a growing problem: malicious extensions slipping into official stores. These aren't shady downloads from unknown websites. Many of them look legitimate, have thousands of installs, and even positive reviews. But behind the scenes, they're stealing data, injecting ads, hijacking accounts, and tracking everything you do online. One of the biggest issues is that browser extensions can request very powerful permissions. Some can read everything on the websites you visit, modify pages, capture keystrokes, or access your clipboard. When a malicious developer gets those permissions, they can use them to steal passwords, read private messages, or monitor sensitive information. What's worse is that some extensions start out safe, then later get sold to another developer who updates it with hidden malware. Since extensions update automatically, users often have no idea anything changed. Another problem is ad injection malware. Some extensions secretly insert ads into web pages, redirect your searches, or replace links with sponsored ones. This not only clutters your browser but can lead you to dangerous sites. Others run cryptominers in the background, making your computer feel slow, hot, or laggy while the developer profits using your hardware. There's also a growing wave of extensions designed to steal cookies and session tokens, which allow attackers to access accounts without needing your password. Once installed, these extensions monitor your browsing session and capture the token that keeps you logged in. Cybercriminals can then take over your accounts instantly, from social media to email, and even financial platforms, without triggering any login alerts. To protect yourself, always check the permissions an extension asks for and avoid anything that requires more access than it realistically needs. Stick to extensions with long histories, active developers, and frequent updates. Review your installed extensions regularly and remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. If your browser suddenly becomes slow, filled with ads, or starts redirecting to unfamiliar sites, that's a sign something might be wrong. In 2025, Chrome and Edge extensions remain incredibly useful, but the rise of malicious ones means we have to be more careful than ever. A single bad extension can compromise your entire system, so staying cautious is the best defense. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you stay safer online, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and comment below if you want a full guide on how to check if an extension is safe. Stay secure, and see you in the next one.